LegalZoom Trademark registration pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people underestimate the cost and complexity of registering a trademark, but the surprising truth is that LegalZoom simplifies the process and offers transparent pricing. LegalZoom pricing starts at for a basic federal trademark application plus government filing fees, which vary by trademark type and class. The platform also offers more comprehensive packages, the standard package at and the plus package at, which includes extra services like attorney follow-up and monitoring. For example, if you're launching a brand, LegalZoom guides you through checking trademark availability, completing the application, and submitting it to the US Patent and Trademark Office. Optional features include monitoring for potential infringements and professional assistance to respond to office actions. This approach saves time and reduces the risk of costly mistakes, especially for first-time applicants. By consolidating research, filing, and tracking into a single platform, LegalZoom helps businesses protect their intellectual property efficiently. In conclusion, LegalZoom offers solid value by combining affordability, professional guidance, and convenience. Or, you get access to a streamlined trademark registration process that protects your brand and minimizes stress.